This smartwatch from ZTE's Nubia brand boasts a unique 4-inch flexible AMOLED screen that wraps around your wrist for comfortable all-day wear. It tracks your heart rate, activity levels, and sleep patterns, and even includes a built-in GPS, providing a comprehensive fitness picture. Enjoy a week of battery life in power-saving mode, make calls directly from your watch, and customize the watch face with various designs. Nubia is known for its innovative, cutting-edge technology in the smartphone market. It costs $220. Precision is critical when hanging pictures, mirrors or artwork, and this innovative gadget simplifies the process. It uses a sliding marker to locate and clearly outline keyhole mounts, with bright black and white markers ideal for wood, metal and rough surfaces. For added convenience, the tool includes a built-in level to ensure your items are perfectly straight and the markings are easily removed with a magic eraser or denatured alcohol. You can buy this for $37. These fidget spinners are a fun and creative way to relieve stress, boost concentration, and add a touch of personality to your day. LautieEDC focuses on high-quality fidget toys, often made from premium materials like titanium and brass, ensuring durability and a satisfying feel. The company offers various customization options with different colors, finishes, and themes, allowing you to find one that perfectly suits your style. The spinner costs $160, while the price can vary based on material and customization. Say goodbye to the frustration of measuring, marking and hanging pictures perfectly with this ingenious tool. This tool combines a spirit level, hooks and a precise pin, making it a must-have for DIYers and art enthusiasts. Simply place the tool against the wall, press the button to lock in the hooks, and the pin marks the exact spot for your nail, ensuring your pictures hang straight the first time. This clever invention makes solo picture hanging a breeze, saving you time and avoiding unnecessary wall damage. The invention costs $37. This handheld steam cleaner provides a chemical-free way to clean and sanitize surfaces throughout your home, making it perfect for those seeking an eco-friendly cleaning solution. The steamer reaches around 110 degrees Celsius, removing dirt and grime from various materials, including tile, countertops, and upholstery. It comes with various attachments to tackle different cleaning tasks and features a long operation time, with 1 minute of steam followed by 1.5 minutes of rest. It also comes equipped with a 4-button control panel and guided voice prompts. The gadget costs $470. This futuristic-looking headset is, in fact, a powerful and versatile piece of gear designed for immersive virtual reality and augmented reality experiences. It features a high-resolution display with a smooth refresh rate, ensuring clear and comfortable visuals. The lightweight ergonomic design and adjustable components make it adaptable to many users. It comes with the options for wireless connectivity or a wired connection for maximum performance. The VR headset costs $1,099. Transform your smartphone into a hands-free camera with the innovative mobile add-on. This versatile accessory easily converts from a carrying strap into a selfie stick and a tripod in seconds. It's perfect for capturing memories on the go, vlogging, or creating social media content. The Morph Strap is compatible with most smartphones, and its slim profile adds minimal bulk. The device costs $80 and includes the Morph trigger, a remote-controlled camera shutter. This multi-tool aims to be the ultimate companion for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and everyday problem solvers. It boasts impressive functions, including a fire starter, whistle, emergency signal mirror, and even a laser rangefinder. The Tuking Silver is built with durable materials and designed to fit compactly in your pocket or backpack. You can buy this gadget for $179. These rechargeable hand warmers are perfect for combating cold weather during outdoor activities or simply for added comfort indoors. They feature 4 adjustable heat settings and a long-lasting battery that provides up to 15 hours of warmth. The hand warmers can also function as a power bank, giving your devices a charge when needed. Keeping comfort in mind, these gloves are made from soft, velvety material, and their ergonomic design makes them a pleasure to hold. A pair of gloves cost $43. This ultra-compact power bank is the ultimate solution for on-the-go charging emergencies. Its unique car key fob design makes it incredibly portable and easy to attach to your keychain. Despite its small size, the power bank packs a 1,400 mAh battery, capable of significantly boosting your smartphone. It includes USB-C, Lightning, and micro USB cables for maximum compatibility and features a patented charging dock. You can buy the power bank for $29. This helpful gadget takes the worry out of feeding time. It is designed for busy pet owners or when you're away from home. This automatic feeder holds up to 2 liters of dry food and can dispense up to 6 meals daily with customizable portions. Its spill-proof and tamper-proof design prevents curious pets from overeating or accessing the food supply. It also features remote feeding via a user-friendly app, or you can opt for manual mode. The base model costs $50. Inspired by the Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi, this next gadget brings the warmth and simplicity of a personal fireplace to your home. This portable fireplace is fueled by isopropyl alcohol and creates a mesmerizing flame for up to 50 minutes. It's perfect for indoor use or as an elegant addition to your outdoor gatherings. Made from durable cement, the fireplace is designed to provide years of enjoyment with minimal maintenance. It costs $92 to own this gadget. Transform aluminum cans into stylish drinking cups with this next innovative gadget. This easy-to-use tool smoothly removes the entire top of the can, leaving no sharp edges. It's ideal for enjoying a more enhanced drinking experience from your favorite canned beverages. The device is compact and easily portable, perfect for picnics, camping trips, or tailgate parties. It comes with a price point of $22. Created by one of the leading providers of hardware and software solutions for content creators, this next gadget is a helpful tool for content creators. The Stream Deck is a powerful tool for streamers, video editors, and content creators looking to streamline their workflow. This customizable controller features 15 LCD keys that can be programmed to trigger commands, launch applications, control audio, and much more. Optimize your setup by creating unique layouts for different tasks and enjoy intuitive one-touch control. You can buy this for $126. This compact gadget offers a quick and convenient way to relieve the itching and discomfort caused by insect bites. This unusual gadget utilizes thermotherapy, applying localized heat to the affected area to help break down toxins and promote healing. Its simple operation and effectiveness make it a great addition to your first aid kit or travel essentials. The device costs $23. Unleash your inner martial arts master with this next unusual gadget, the unique fusion of chopsticks and nunchucks. These titanium chopsticks provide a practical dining experience and transform into a skill toy for fun and entertainment. Perfect for practicing hand-eye coordination or simply impressing your friends at a dinner party. The chopsticks come for a price of $40. Giving the Nokia 3310 a run for its money, this rugged smartphone is designed to withstand the elements and demanding use. Its massive 23,800 mAh battery is the equivalent of 6 plus iPhone 15 Pro batteries, ensuring days of power on a single charge. Enjoy features like a laser rangefinder, an attachable night vision camera, and a powerful LED panel, which are ideal for outdoor enthusiasts and professionals. The smartphone has a price tag of $550. This compact and versatile action camera boasts impressive underwater capabilities without any additional housing. The camera can go as deep as 10 meters, perfect for capturing snorkeling adventures or exploring underwater habitats. Shoot high-quality, full HD videos at 30 frames per second and enjoy features like automatic image rotation and a built-in anti-shake system. You can buy this gadget for $300. This motorcycle helmet camera is designed to capture your rides and enhance safety seamlessly. The Philo M3 offers a wide 120-degree field of view and delivers clear, full HD footage, even in low-light conditions. Its long-lasting battery provides up to 7 hours of continuous recording, storing memories on a micro SD card with up to 128 GB capacity. The helmet is also compatible with police radio equipment, adding an extra communication layer for motovloggers. You can own this for $833. This compact multi-tool packs a surprising amount of functionality into a small package, making it perfect for everyday carry. The toolkit includes 10 tools, including a knife, screwdriver, bottle opener, cutter, and even a tritium tube slot for visibility. Made from medical-grade titanium alloy, it offers both lightweight portability and exceptional durability. The device comes with a price of $45.